Hi friends, today I will tell you that how you earn 4.55% annual profit per year from bank in USA. For this, you need $5,000. You need $1 to $100K. Any amount which you have, but they charge $10 fee if your account balance is less than $5,000. So please always an account with at least $5,000. So UFB Direct is the bank which hey show 4.55% annual profit per year. So now go open the website and check the other details. UFBdirect.com. After the maximum, you have financial freedom at 4.55% annual profit per year. Here on this page, you got all the details, features. Earn up to 4.55% annual profit per year. No monthly maintenance fees with a $5,000 balance or greater. If your balance is less than 5,000, UFB charge $10 per month. Such your funds 24/7 with easy to use digital banking tools. Enjoy peace and mind with FDIC insurance up to the maximum allowance limit. Certificate 35546. Here is the UFB Perfect Money Market with 5 balance stats. First one is 0 to $9,999. Second is from $10,000 to $25,000. Third is $25,000 to $15,000. Fourth is $15,000 to $99,000. And the last one is 100K or greater. You earn 4.55% annual profit year. Other features UFB offers: peer-to-peer payments, account alert, automate your bill, debit card management, biometric authentication, and so on. Security you can count on: antivirus and mail protection, two-step authentication, SSL encryption, monitoring, automatic logout, username and passwords, and many more. Ready to apply? US citizen or resident plan to apply. UFB Direct is the Swiss branch of Axos Bank. On this page, they ask you a new customer, existing customer, returning application. So I select new customer, fill all the data about yourself, and start the application. On next page, click on fill all the data and open the account. After account, please secure your account with two-factor authentication, email authentication, and phone number authentication. After that, please deposit at least $5,000 in your account So you got free account and earn handsome amount from it. If you deposit $5,000 in it, you will earn $2 to $5 per year. So it's a handsome amount for you. Thank you for watching our video.